So hungry.
Found a little kitty. Little kitty. Hey, little kitty. Wake up, little kitty.
I can't go on. This is.
You must be starving, eat up tilt. If you don't mind, do you want to come to my home? You can have delicious cat food every day.
But I'm scared.
Raising a cat is such a hassle. Forget it, it's just an animal. Let it fend for itself.
Here, take this. Don't worry, if the owner doesn't accept you, I'll wander the streets with you. Besides, the owner is very gentle. As long as I ask, she'll definitely say yes.
Absolutely not. How many have you picked up just this month?
She's really different. I promise it's the last time. I promise.
All right, last time.
What did she mean by how many had you picked up? Didn't you say it was only one?
Well, that. Isn't it livelier with more cats around?